Good morning, Dr. John. We have a problem.
What happened, Mary?
The little boy in room 3 won't open his mouth. I tried many times.
How old is he?
He's 5 years old. His name is Lucas.
Okay, let's go talk to him.
He's very scared.
I understand. Does he like animals?
I don't know. Let me ask his mom.
Good idea.
His mom says he loves dogs.
Perfect. Lucas, do you want to see my dog picture?
Look, Lucas, the dog is so funny.
Can you open your mouth like the dog? Woof, woof.
Come on, Lucas. The dog opens his mouth very big.
Good boy. Now I can check your throat. Well done.
You did great, Lucas. Here's a sticker for you.
See, Mary? Sometimes we need to be creative.
That was amazing. I'll remember this trick.
Children need fun, not fear.
Thank you, Dr. John. I learned a lot today.